Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a simple, easy makeup look using two of SHEGLAM's new products, or products anyways. This beautiful artistry palette and this blush. I did get these items sent to me, but this will be my first impression and my first time using them, so I'm so excited to show you guys how they work. This was my first time using them and testing them out, and if you guys want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. I'm going to be adding powder for fallout. Any fallout? Since I already did my base. So taking this yellow shade, I'm gonna put it all over my crease. This is a beautiful color, honestly. It's looking really good. And it's blending out really smoothly. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I got it, the color I wanted. Next thing, I'm going to take this other brush and dip into this shade right here. This one. And go right underneath where I just went. So right here. And it's blended just like that. I know the shadow, I hope you can tell on camera, but it's blending really easily. And then I'm going to do the same right here. Blend. Perfect. Let me give you an up close. Okay. Now taking an even smaller brush, I'm gonna dip into this shade right there and focus that on the outer V. So take a little bit, tap off the excess, and I'm just gonna place it right here. Next, I'm gonna deepen it up just a tad bit with this red shade right there. And I'm gonna use the same brush. So putting it exactly where I placed the other shade. Just on this outer V. And I do have hooded eyes, so I have to be extra careful here. And then doing the exact same thing on this side. So the next step, I kind of want to use this glitter right here, but I'm going to start off using this shade right here, as you can see. That one, taking a flat brush and dampening it, probably give me the best result. I'm going to go ahead and take this shade like I said, and just put it on the lid of my eye. This is so freaking pretty. Now if you guys want to take your finger, you can definitely do that. just to see how the sparkly color looks. So this one right here, I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of the sparkle all over the lid, just to add a little extra oomph. I'm gonna go ahead and do liner and lashes off camera, and I will be back for the finished look. So this is the finished look with my lashes and a liner. The last step I want to do for this makeup is the SHEGLAM face palette powder. It's basically a blush, and well, it is a blush, and it's in the shade Tangerine, so it's really pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and put some on my brush. Don't know how pigmented this is, so let's find out. Oh, that's so pretty. It's so freaking pretty. I'm gonna put too much, but I just want y'all to see it as well. Go ahead and do the other cheek. That is how the blush looks like. I want to do an up close of my makeup so you guys can see it as well. So this completes the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial. I will link everything down below. I did want to say that this palette genuinely surprised me. Because the price is so low, I was expecting lower quality, but honestly this is one of the best palettes I've ever used, and I'm not saying that just because this got sent to me. I'm saying it because everything blended out so smoothly. All the colors were so pretty. The color payoff was freaking incredible on these, and so buttery, I will say. So if you guys want to check anything, we'll link everything down below, of course, and you guys can get your hands on it if you guys want to. Make sure to use it in coupon so you can get money off of your order, of course. And I hope you guys check out these products. I'm gonna link them all down below. They're so nice. Hope you guys like this look as well. I'll make sure to use the discount code. Hope you guys enjoy these products. It was a simple, easy look that anyone can do. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye. You're finally mine. Yeah. You're finally mine.